We'll guide you through how to fix Face ID not available or not working on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Face ID not being available or not working on an iPhone can be a really annoying problem, as it's really convenient in order to go and unlock your iPhone and do different things on it, like authorizing things. So we'll guide you through how you can go about fixing it. You may find that it's just not working, or you're getting sort of a pop-up about it not working or being available. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. First of all, you do just want to go and inspect it like so up here. Make sure there's no dust or debris on there, and often what people find is that they've got a case or a screen protector which needs to be adjusted as it's blocking it. So make sure that it's visible and free and clean. Go and see if that solves it if it's not working. If you're finding it still isn't, next you need to go and open up your settings like so. Go and scroll down, and you want to go and find accessibility. In here, scroll down and you can find Face ID and attention. Now what you can try doing is turning this off. I'll press OK. Then what we can do is go and enter in our passcode, and you can try turning this other one off as well, enter in your passcode. Then you can come back, go and see if that solves it. If it doesn't, come back here and you can then go and turn it back on, and we can then go and turn this back on as well. And the next fix they want to try doing is coming back here. Now, if you're finding that the option for Face ID and passcode isn't even showing up here, this is due to your screen time settings. So come in here, scroll down to content and privacy restrictions, and you need to make sure that passcode and Face ID is set to allow. So you can tap there and go and change it if needed. Then it should go and be appearing, and you can go and tap into it, go and enter in your passcode. So if you're finding that it's not being available or not working for these different things here, make sure they are switched on, and then that should go and be working for those different things if you're finding they're not available there. Next, you can scroll down and you can press reset Face ID like so, and what we can then do is go and set it up again, as this can often solve issues with it. Press set up Face ID and then we can try. If you're unable to do this, keep watching, we've still got more fixes. You need to then go and set it up again, which is what I'll do now. I've now gone and successfully done a scan. I won't go and set it up with my mask or press set up later. Go and see if it's now working. If you're finding that it still isn't, it's worth doing a restart, as often this will go and resolve any errors you're getting, and it's a software problem. So press the volume increase, then volume decrease, and tap and hold the side power button. Now you want to go and keep this held down. Shortly your phone's going to go and turn off. Keep it held down when it goes black. You're only going to release it when you go and see the Apple icon. So at this point, you can release and wait for it to start. Hopefully it's now working and you're able to go and start using it. If you're still finding you can't, go and open your settings again. Scroll down and you can go and find the option for general, and you want to come to software update. If there's an update available, you want to go and do it. Hopefully Face ID is now available and working. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.